Welcome back. We are here looking at the ETFs, and this is going to be my daily forecast for Wednesday, April 28, 2021. If you like to support our channel, you're welcome to hit the subscribe button down here in the corner, hit the like button and the bell button to see our newest videos, and that would be fairly appreciated. So let's start by looking at the ARKK Innovations ETF. And as you can see, we have pulled back quite a bit. We're down 1.17% at this current stage. So we did rally towards the top of the Bollinger Band, and it was kind of expected for this to pull back a little bit. So we found also support down here at the 40 exponential moving average, and we stopped right at the 50 moving average at 126. So if you look at other technical indicators, we can see that the MACD is now in right at 0 and is above 0 at the signal line, and that is bullish. We can see that RSI is bullish as well, and the CCI is also in bullish territory, and so is the stochastic. So momentum is still in the upside, but we will additionally find pullbacks even though we are in an uptrend. So we have basically been rallying from the very bottom here, and we're up from the bottom around 17.7%. So at this point, we have pulled back, and we have found support at the 40 exponential at 125, and it could basically drop towards the middle of the Bollinger Band before going higher. Breaking below the middle of the Bollinger Band could open the door to the very bottom here at 116. So let's look at DVI. So DVI is, well, it has rallied, it's technically nothing has happened today. It did break down a little bit and then it pulled back, and we're up 0.09%, so nothing really has happened today. We're trading at 117. Technical indicators like the MACD is still underneath the signal line and is fairly bearish at this point. RSI is flat, CCI is flat, stochastic is turning around across the signal line, and that is bullish. And we're basically right in the middle of the top in the middle of the Bollinger Band. So a pullback is expected, or a rally, in order to determine basically where we are going with this. A breakdown below the 20 exponential could open the door to the 40, and the rally above these previous candlestick here could open the door to the upper part of the channel. So let's look at VTI. So VTI has fallen 0.05%, and at this current stage, we're on the edge of being overbought. We're approaching the top of the Bollinger Band, and other technical indicators are very bullish. So it is a waiting game for this VTI ETF, and as you can see, historical patterns here. If you fall towards the 20 exponential or the 40 exponential or in the 50, it has rallied from those points and from those moving averages. And additionally, we have basically fallen towards the 100 moving average right here and here, and those pullbacks have been bought into. So we are above all those moving averages, and at some point they are going to be tested again and will most likely be bought into again as well. So let's look at MCHI. So this has rallied a bit. We're trading just between the 50 moving average and the 40 exponential moving average. Technical indicators are turning around. So this had a massive fall the last few months, and it basically lost 19% of its value, but it has regained, give or take, 5.6% of this value. So there's a lot of catching up to do in order to get back to these previous highs, and we need basically to rally above the 50 moving average and even the 100 moving average in order to go and retest these previous highs again. A breakdown below the 150 moving average will open the door to the 200 moving average again, and a rally above the 40 will open the door to the 50 at 85. Otherwise, the technical indicators are fairly bullish at this current stage, and we are approaching over basically the top of the Bollinger Band, which could mean that we'll see a pullback in the next few trading days. So let's look at IVV. So we're down 0.03%, so not a lot of movements in these ETFs today. So if you look at the MACD, it is basically flat. The CCI is also flat, on the edge of being overbought. Stochastic is above 100, so it's bullish. CCI, I mean, is over 100 and it's bullish, and the stochastic is also very bullish indeed. So we are also approaching the top of this channel, which we have basically been bouncing off for a really long time now. We have to go all the way back here. This is in June last year, when we basically started bouncing off the 40, 50, and the 20 exponential up towards this line, and then just continuing that fashion. At this moment, we are basically at the top of this channel and could drop towards the 20 or the 40 or the 50 moving average at any point. So, hope you find this helpful. You're welcome to support the channel by subscribing, hit the like button and the bell button to see our newest videos, and good luck and thank you very much.